Hello and welcome to Monroe Junior High School's end of year awards ceremony. My name is Joe Ward. I am the principal of Monroe Junior High. While we weren't able to be together at this end of the school year, we still wanted to recognize all our students for their hard work, so we put together this virtual award ceremony. I want to give a thank you to Elizabeth Barger for helping organize all the awards, and a huge thank you to Mrs. Andrea Carvellano for all the work that she put into. She created this slideshow. She did a lot of work and it looks fabulous, so I want to put a huge thank you for her. This is the 8th grade award ceremony. There will be a separate video for the 7th grade award ceremony. Before we get into the awards, I want to talk about what they are. First, we have a few GPA awards. They are only awarded based off first, second, and third quarter. Since the fourth quarter was on pass-fail system, that was not calculated into their GPA. All certificates for the awards will be given to students when school resumes next year. The awards were given. There's 2 GPA awards. The Honor Roll Award is a GPA of 3.5 or higher for all 3 quarters. That is not an average. They get a 3.5 in each quarter. Principal's Award is a 4.0 in all 3 quarters. Students, if they get a 4.0, would have earned the Honor Roll Award and the Principal's Award. Perfect attendance is for 0 absences or tardies all year. Then we had 3 awards that teachers gave students. If a student had 0 missing assignments all year in a teacher's class, they were given the Relentless Effort Award. If they made significant improvement all year through their effort and their determination, they got the Significant Improvement Award. And then we also recognize students with a Remote Learning Excellence Award if they completed 100% of all assignments during this remote learning experience. We also have one other thing to recognize, and that is a voluntary project that we had offered to all students, but only a few partook in. It was an extension of their learning of all their core subjects. It was a pilot program. We started at second semester, and it was also completely voluntary. All the work for this was done outside of class, and it was a lot of work. For the 8th grade, it was an amazing race concept where they had to perform tasks in different countries of the world that were aligned with the standards in their different classes. And for completing it, they were awarded with a distinction on the report card and a field trip. Obviously, the field trip this year was canceled, but whenever school gets back to normal functioning, these students will be rewarded, even though they will be in high school at that time. And the 2 students who completed it for the 8th grade were Allison Morris and Spencer Regal. They worked extremely hard. They should be very proud. I know I am proud of them, and their teachers are very proud of them. Now, when we go to the awards, that is the next slide, you will see the student's picture along with the awards they were given. Not all pictures were available for students. Also, I have limited recording time on this, so the slides go about every 2 seconds. So you may need to pause if you want to look at your picture a little bit longer. They are in alphabetical order, so hopefully you can find it pretty quickly. And without any further ado, we will begin the awards ceremony. I hope you enjoy it. After the completion of this, that will be the end, and I hope you have a fabulous summer.